Yeah, boy. Oh, shoot. All right, I hit this pretty good last time, so we're gonna try it again and go all the way through. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, boy. Hit this clean again, good, just a few minutes ago. A little scrapey scrape. Never hit this trail without stopping. It's even first time. Tree. Huh. Ooh, it's getting a little dark. Cliffside. Here comes the best part, in my opinion. Throw that seat back down. Woohoo! Shoo, buddy. That was fast for me. I'm gonna skip on that drop. Oh, shoot.
Nice work.
I'm pretty excited that I was able to hit Posses Club all the way through without stopping. I think the first time I hit it, Meredith towed me in. Second time, I was out here with Joe and we just kind of sessioned the top. That's been quite a while. And then today, sessioned it once, missed the first drop, decided the second time just go all the way through. Yeah, very happy. Definitely I'm curious to see what my time is on that, but just in general, being able to do a trail without getting off your bike is pretty cool. So I'm just finishing up a cool down lap here on the green trail. I'm being bad and don't have my helmet on, but I wore my full face and my chest protector today. Just with that rocky drop in, wanted to stay extra protected.